Hello children, you all are well? Okay children, take care of your health children. Okay. So children, in this session today we are going to learn 7th class chapter 4 motion and time. The remaining part of this chapter we are going to learn in this session. Okay. So open your 7th class science textbook page number 35. Let us do 10. For reading, I am calling your friend Afrin here. Listen her reading and develop your lesson reading skills. Okay na? While reading, you should concentrate. You have to concentrate into the textbook. Okay na? So Afrin, come here, beta. Come here.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Good morning, friends. Today I am reading lesson 4, part 2. Oscillatory motion. What similarity do you find in the motions of the above given situations? Is the directions of motion constant? If we certically examine the above mentioned motion, we understand that in each case the objects move backwards and forwards or upward and downward on the either side of a fixed point or a line. For example, the girl on a swing moves backwards and forwards on either side of the rest position of the swing. Similarly, in other case, also the body is in to and fro motion along the same path of motion. This type of motion is called
Auxiliary
motion. Identify auxiliary motion among the following and put tick mark in the brackets given. A spinning top, bullet fired from a gun, typewriter key, motion of a potter's wheel, motion of a vibrating sitar string, motion of a car talking a turn while moving, ring of a bell, a bouncing ball. Slow and fast motion. We observe many objects in motion in our daily life. In some cases, objects move slowly and in other cases, they move fast. How do we know whether the motion is slow or fast? Who reaches the school first? Why? Do you find any difference in the time taken by bicycle and bus to reach the school? Comparing the motion of objects. Observe following pairs of objects that are in motion. Do we need to know about distance covered, time taken by the body in motion to decide whether the motion is slow or fast? Priya, Karthik, Divya and Kiran participated in a 100-meter running race. They took 20 seconds, 22 seconds, 25 seconds and 28 seconds respectively to reach the finishing line. Who do you think ran the fastest and whose running is slowest? Why? Obviously, we can see that all of them ran same distance of 100 meter, but time taken to cover the distance was Priya took 20 seconds, which shows that she was the fastest. Time. We use the word time very often in our daily life. Look at the following examples. If we observe the above examples, we use the word time for different purposes. In some situations, without using the word time, we express the duration of time like so late, so early, etc. Let us do 14. Take a cell phone, go to setting and open stop clock. Option if you are not able to do this, take help from your friend or teacher. Measure the time taken for the events mentioned in the table. Ringing of long bell in the school. Which event has taken more time to complete? Let us know how much time does it take to sing the national anthem. units of time. Depending on the context, we express time in seconds or minutes or hours. Do the following activity. Travel on a motor vehicle with your father to market or any other place and observe the changes in speedometer reading. Note the exact time when you started from carefully and note it and the corresponding. How to calculate the average speed? Average speed is equals to total distance traveled, total time taken to the travel distance. Thus we can define speed of an object as the distance traveled by it in a unit of time.
So children, did you understood how you have to read the lessons? Okay, so you have to practice your lesson reading, okay, and try to understand the subject given into the lesson. Page number 10. Okay, motion of blades of a ceiling fan. Already I shown you. Once again I will show you. They given here. Okay, one table. See children, observe following motions of bodies and label them as rotatory, means R you have to write. Okay, translatory means you have to write T. Okay, and translatory and rotatory means you have to write okay, TR. Okay, so here see children, the first motion, okay, what they told, okay, see, motion of blades of a ceiling fan, it is a rotatory motion, so you have to write R here. Okay, motion of an arrow from a bow, it is a translatory motion, you have to write T here. Okay, motion of the earth around the sun, it is a rotatory motion. Okay, write R. Okay, motion of a drill bit, so this is a translatory and rotatory, both will become. Motion of wheels of an object, this is a rotatory motion, R you have to write here. Okay na children, so these are the different types of motion children. If the direction of motion constant, if we critically examine the above mentioned motion, we understand that each case the object move backwards and forwards or upward and downward on either side of a fixed point or a line. For example, the girl on a swing moves backward and forward on either side of the rest position of the swing. Similarly, in other cases, also the body is in to and fro motion along the same path of motion. This type of motion is called auxiliary motion. Identify auxiliary motion among the following and put right mark in the brackets given. Okay, so we will do it this children. Activity 11. So children, here, okay, we have to write okay, which is auxiliary motion. There we have to keep a right mark. Okay, identify auxiliary motion. Identify oscillatory motion. Okay, identify oscillatory motion. So first one they given here. Okay, a spinning top. A spinning okay, top. Bullet fired from a gun. Bullet fired from a gun. Next they given typewriter key. Typewriter key. Typewriter key. Okay. Motion of a potter's wheel. Motion of a potter's wheel. Motion of a vibrating sitar string. Motion of a vibrating sitar string. Okay, very few we took. So first you have to see what is, okay, oscillatory motion. Okay, oscillatory motion, what they told. Okay, in this motion we understand that each case objects move, okay, backward and forward, backward and forward. The objects will move, okay, backward and forward, okay, like that, upward and downward, upward and downward, okay, either on the either side of, on the other side, fix a point or a line. Okay, so the object will move backward and forward, or upward and downward. The object will be moved, and like that, the girl. One example they given. The girl on a swing moves backward and forward. So this is like that way. Okay, the position. The okay on either side of the rest position of the swing. Okay, so backward and forward the object will be moved. So that is oscillatory motion. Okay, and what the motor body is, okay, to and pro motion along the same path. Body also true, to and pro motion along the object. Understand? So here a spinning top. Okay, a spinning top. The top is rotating into the round, and body also in one place only, stationary. So here the motion is not, okay, backward and upward, down, okay, downward and upward is not there, okay, backward and forward also not there. So top is moving round. So this is not a oscillatory motion. Okay, bullet fired from a gun. Bullet fired from a gun. When you fired the bullet, okay, so body is one place only, so not moving forward, backward, okay, upward, downward. So this is also not. Okay, typewriter keys. Typewriter keys. Okay, so these okay, while typing, okay, his keys, his hands are going onto the different keys. Okay, so the hands are changing the position. You can write here yes. Okay, motion of a potter's wheel. Potter's wheel around to the, okay, wheel. Potter is giving the shape, but body is stationary, so not here. Motion of a vibrating sitar string. Sitar string. Sitar is there, vibrating. Okay, playing a sitar, vibrating a sitar string. So this is, okay, upward, backward will become no. So this is yes. Okay, note down that. We can add here one more, sixth one. Motion of a car taking a turn while moving. Okay, so here write one more. Motion of a car taking a turn while moving. While moving. Okay. So write yes. Oscillatory motion. So children, I think you are completed. Okay. I am showing you one table. Okay children, see. I think it is clear for you. Okay children. In this table, they given pairs of objects in motion. So, which object is slow in motion and fast in motion? That I am writing onto the board. Okay. How to copy, children? Okay. Slow and fast motions. Okay, we have to find out. Slow and fast motion. Mark it. Okay. So I'll draw one table here. Serial number. Okay. And here fast or slow you have to mention. Serial number. Here pairs of objects in motion. Pairs of objects in motion. Slow and fast. Slow and fast. Okay. So first one. See the first one. The pairs of objects they given children here. In the first A is aeroplane. Aeroplane. And B is train. So children, comparing to the aeroplane, train is fast or slow? Okay, aeroplane is okay fast. Okay, we'll divide here. Yes. So aeroplane is fast and train is slow. Okay. And in the second, A is bus, auto rickshaw. Bus, auto rickshaw. Okay. And B is rickshaw. This is rickshaw, the cycle rickshaw. Okay. So comparing to the bus and auto rickshaw. So bus and auto rickshaw is fast in motion and cycle rickshaw, this rickshaw is slow in motion. Okay children. The next is bicycle and scooter. Third one. A is okay bicycle and B is scooter. Okay, so take here bicycle is slow and scooter is fast. Okay, you have to mark it that. Then I will give the remaining one. Okay, note down children that. Note down into the notebook. Then I will give fourth, fifth and sixth. Over children. Now we'll write next one. Two and three. Okay. Here we will write 4. Here 5 and 6. Okay. 4 A and B. What is in the 4? 4 A is elephant, B is cheetah. E-L-E, okay, elephant and cheetah. Cheetah, elephant and cheetah. So elephant is slow and cheetah is very fast. You all know that, okay? And fifth one, A is okay. A is dog and B is buffalo. Dog and buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O. Buffalo. Okay. So dog is fast and buffalo is slow children. Okay. And in the sixth one, A is man and B is horse. Okay. So man is slow and horse is fast. Okay na? So this also note down into the notebook children. next is about the time, children. So on the page number 37, see. Hey, could you please tell me what the time is? I forgot to put on my watch today. And another picture. Your attention please. The train scheduled to arrive at Hyderabad from Tirupati is running an hour behind the scheduled time. This is a railway platform time. Okay. Oh, it's 12:30. Let us finish the work quickly. We should go for lunch on time. Okay, and teacher is asking, why are you so late today? And here that that line is moving very fast. Why is this person so slow? Okay, so here about the time they is to given some pictures here, children. Okay, see here. So he is asking the time because he forgot his watch. Okay, and here another picture, see children. This is a railway platform time, and here, okay, the in the office there's okay, seeing the lunch time, and here the queue is there. Okay, and here teacher is asking to the student, why you are so late. Okay, so children, this is about the time. Page number 38, see children. Ravi and Satish started for school at 8 a.m. for their houses, which are side by side. Ravi started on a bicycle and Satish by walk. Who will reach the school first? You tell, children. Ravi, okay, started with his bicycle and Satish by walk. So Ravi will reach first before Satish, because Ravi is going on a bicycle and Satish is going by walk. You can easily estimate that Ravi reaches the school earlier than Satish. But to answer the question of how early Ravi reached, we need to measure the times taken by both Ravi and Satish and find the difference of between both the cases. Try to give some more examples of how measure time in addition to watches. Nowadays, we use different instruments like electronic clocks, digital clocks, quarters clocks, etc. measure time. A few decades ago, people used pendulum clock that have now become rare. Like minutes and hours, week, fortnight, month, season, and INM are also units for measuring time. Sand clock, water clock, sundial, its extra were used earlier instruments for estimating time. These are the earlier instruments for estimating the time, children. Okay, so here they told you one activity. Take a cell phone, go to setting and open stop clock option. If you are not able to do this, take help of your friend or teacher. Measure the time taken for the events mentioned in the table. So for the event, suppose a football match is there, okay? And you have to put the timer and you have to set the time in that, okay? So in that you have to measure, okay? Ringing of a long bell in the school, duration of time, completion of a prayer song, running 200 meter by your friend in the school ground, completion of pledge during school assembly. So you have to set the timer for that. They told that activity. So you have to do that with the cell phone. It is very easy activity, children. Okay, and these are the units of times. Table units of time. Okay, so units of time I will give on the board. You have to note into the notebook. Units of time, okay. 60 seconds. 1 minute. 60 seconds means 1 minute. Okay. Then 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 hour. 24 hours. 24 hours means 1 day. 365 days. 365 days means 1 year. 10 years. 10 years means 1 decade. 10 decades means 10 decades, 1 century. 1 century. 10 centuries. 10 centuries. 1 millennium. Okay, so this is a units of time. You have to note in your book, children. I think children completed. So here we completed chapter 4, motion and time. Okay. So it's time for Sakshi. Note the Sakshi. Sakshi. Subject you have to write science. Class you have to write 7th class. And HW you have to write learn and write all question and answers from chapter 4 in HW one time. Your parents sign take children, your teachers will give the sign. Okay, when school will be physically reopened. Okay, na children? So do the homework and send it to the given school mail ID in a time, children. We will meet with the another chapter in the next session. Till then, children, bye bye.